Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are going to be talking about HTML hyperlinks. So one of the most important items that came out in HTML 1.0 was what they called the hyperlink. And what this gave HTML the ability to do was when you clicked on a piece of text that was highlighted, it would actually navigate to another page. And so we can see that here with this A tag, which represents a hyperlink, and the A stands for anchor, and the HREF is the actual location that it's going to navigate to. So there's two major types of navigation. In this particular example, you can see that there is a pound and then the about or description. And what this will do is it will take you to a particular location on a page. Another type of href would be a whole separate page or even a whole separate website that you would put in here, and you're familiar with the URLs, be it you type in google.com. If you put that in here and clicked on the text, the browser would know to navigate you there. And these Ahref tags are all over the place, and that's what makes the web so powerful, is how it's all linked together. Another thing to note about the Ahref is it could link to pages, it could link to locations on a page, and it can also link to files. So if we come back over here to our index.html, you can see that it is actually used the href to link to a physical file. Another thing to note is you can see that this has the ... and what this means is it's a relative path, or it's a path that is within the particular application and not on the outside. So if you wanted to link to Google, you would put the HTTP, which then would go to an external link where the ... is going to look for the file internal to the project. There's also a third option that's demonstrated here, where we're using the Ahref tag to pop up an email client by putting in this mail to. So this was kind of an older option that still does work. If you use this, what it'll do is it will pop up somebody's email client and then pre-fill in the to with whatever you put in here, and then they can write an email. So it's kind of an autofill mechanism that's part of HTML standard. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like more information, please click on the playlist listed below. Hit that subscribe button so people just like you can find this video, and please comment below to join the community. And remember, keep your head in the cloud.